Hello everyone, welcome to the pointers presentation video. In this video, we will learn what is a pointer, what is the syntax for pointer and some example programs. So first of all, we are going to see what is a pointer. So pointer is nothing but it is a variable that is used to store the memory address of another variable. Here actual data is not going to be stored. This variable, pointer variable, is going to be used for storing memory address of another variable. This is what is a pointer. And why pointers? Why we need pointers? Pointers are used for so many purposes. First one, by using this we can access and manipulate data directly in memory. And next, by using pointer we can pass large data structures to functions efficiently. And using pointer we can create dynamic memory during program execution. And also using pointers we can implement data structures such as linked lists, stacks, queues and trees. And we also using this pointer we can efficiently work with arrays and strings. So these are all the different use of pointers. So what are the different operators we are using in pointer? First one, ampersand symbol, that is also called address of symbol, that is address of operator. First one, what is the purpose of using this is, if this is used to returns the memory address of a variable. And second operator, asterisk operator, that is also called as dereference operator. It is used to access the value stored at the address contained in a pointer. So if I want to access the value pointed by pointer, we can use this asterisk pointer, asterisk operator. And if I want to access the address, that is possible by using address of symbol or ampersand symbol. So these are all the two operators we are using in pointers. And next, pointer syntax. So what is the syntax for pointer is data type space star ptr, that is asterisk symbol ptr. Data type may be any data type. It may be integer, character or float. So examples, int space star p, that means we are creating the pointer p, that is an integer type. Next, character type pointer, so char space star c. Next, floating type pointer, what is the syntax is float space star a. So a is floating type pointer variable. So this is how to declare one pointer. So next, how to initialize one pointer. Integer, I am initializing on integer type pointer. So int a equal to 10, and I am creating on pointer variable p, that is an integer type. So int space star p, in this I am going to store the address of a variable. So star p equal to address of a. So here a stores the value 10, address of a gives the address of a. P, if I am accessing p, that, so p is a pointer variable that is used to store the address of a. This is how to initialize one pointer. And next, so in the second line, here in the second line we have given like int star p equal to address of a. So instead of that, first we can create on pointer int star p, and then we can assign the address of a to pointer variable p. So p equal to address of a. We can use both the initialization. So next, we are going to see this pointer with an example. This is very simple example only. In this example, I am going to print what is the value of value of one variable, what is the address of that variable, what is the pointer value. So these are all things we are going to display in this example. So as usual, first of all, we have to include a library file. So hash include stdio.h, and I am opening my main program. So integer type, so int main. Inside this I am creating one variable that is integer type. So int space a equal to 100. I am assigning 100 to my variable integer variable a, and I'm going to create one pointer variable p, that is also integer type. So in space star p, in this pointer I am going to assign my a variable address. So p equal to address of a. So now I am going to printf value of a. So double quotation, I have to give whatever I want to display. I can give that by using double quotation. So printf using the using printf statement. So printf open the bracket, double quotation, I am going to give value of a, that is equal to what I am going to display is percentage of the integer type value, and next I am going to moving to new line. So \n comma a. So what is the value I am displaying? A value. So comma a. So this line gives the output value of a equal to, what is my value? 100. So value of a equal to 100. That is what I am going to get for this line as the output. Second printf, I am going to display my a address. So address of a equal to, here we are accessing address. So for that we have, see, in the previous line we have given percentage d, no? So what is the use of that is called format specifier. In order to access integer data type, we have to give percentage d format specifier. Next, to access address, we have to give percentage p format specifier. So now I am displaying address of a. So address of a equal to percentage p \n. I'm moving, next new line, I'm going to start next new line. So \n comma void star, in bracket I'm giving void star and address of a. So what is the purpose of void star is, see, always the format specifier p, that is used for printing address, accessing address, no? So always this percentage p type format specifier expects void type pointer. So whatever the pointer whatever the pointer, it may be integer, float or char, that should be converted into void type here, because void type only accepted by percentage p. So if I want to display the address of any variable, address of pointer or address value, I have to give void star. I have to convert the other type into void star, void type pointer. So that's why here we have given void star and address of a. So this displays address of a equal to, what is my address? A address, that will be displayed here. In next line I am displaying pointer value. So printf pointer value equal to percentage p and \n. So void star of p. This displays pointer value equal to, what is my pointer value? That will be displayed. Pointer value p, in p we are storing address of a, so that will be displayed here. Next I am going to display value pointed by p. That means in p we are storing a address. So what is inside a address? That is what I am going to display now. Value pointed by p equal to, this is integer type, this is not a memory address. So percentage d comma star p. Star p represents, here star represents dereference operator, that is used to access the memory location value which is pointed by pointer p. And next I am not returning any value, so return 0. So this output will be like this. First of all I am displaying value of a value equal to 100, and next we are displaying address of a, that is equal to, what is my address? This may be varied from one system to other system. Here address of a equal to 0x61 ff08. This is for example only, it may be varied, depends on the system, it may be varied. Next third I am displaying pointer value. Both second and third line gives the same output because both are same only, address of a and pointer value. Pointer also stores the address of a only. So both the results are same. Next, value pointed by P, that is equal to inside P. So in the memory location 61FF08 we are storing A value 100. So that will be displayed here. This is what the example for pointer. I hope you understood about this concept. Thank you for watching.